I don't know why every time right before I record a video I always get so nervous. Hi you guys, my name is Erica. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell, therefore you will be notified every time your girl upload a video. And if you're what you call it if you're an OG, welcome. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. I know it's been a while since it's actually almost been a month, 2 months since I uploaded a video. I just had to get a lot of things in order, but great news is that I added more products to my website. I'm gonna link the website in the description box down below so you guys click on it and check it out. But what I'm gonna be talking about today in this video is my lashes that I added on, and I actually have on a pair now. I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I'm just kind of show you guys like the packaging and everything, and how I store my lashes. I guess I could bring this over now, where I store my lashes at, because I did do like a business series to tell you guys like how to start and everything, and I felt like after that video I kind of left you guys in the dark. So I'm back, and I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it with talking about the lashes. So on my website, which is called Eric and Her Girls, I sell hair products. That I sell the hair products, but I also make them. So when people ask me, a lot of people will get in contact with me and ask me, do I have the products on hand? All my products are on hand. I do everything myself. I make it, I create you all's labels, I ship it, and I get it off to you. So as soon as you order from the website, I know, and then I go ahead and start getting your stuff, packaging, getting everything together. So the lashes that I have, as soon as you order your lashes, they're on hand for me to package them. I don't have to go through somebody else to see if they have it and then order them for you, and then it's not like that. So I'm basically just going to be showing you guys the lashes that I have, and you can also see them on my site, but I feel like a video would be a little nice. So anyhow, let's get into it. So on my website I have 12 different styles. I will say the name of all of them as I go through them. They come in little cases like this. And the ones I'm showing you guys, all these are my samples. So I use the same ones that I'm showing you guys for my pictures. The ones I'm sharing with you all and showing you, I do not sell these. These are for photos. These are my demos. I put it that way. These are like my little, my demos. So the first pair I'm gonna go in and show you guys. I believe I already took a picture with these on, and I posted on Facebook and Instagram, and I actually got a few orders with this style by having them on. And this style is called Gachu. I don't know, I might do like a little picture as I talk about it in the little box up here or something, but these are called Gachu. That's so sad, I don't know the price range of these. And all your lashes is going to come in a cute little case like this, and it opens up like that. Really cute. Gachu is priced at $12. So is the one. I want to show you guys. They look like this. They're really cute. I don't have like if they're 25 MMs or whatever. All that is on the website. I don't have all that in front of me right now. But these are very natural. So as you can see, these are not like super duper long. The one is priced for $6. So it's very inexpensive, and I'm gonna have a promo, but you have to wait and watch the whole video. But I will have a promo code towards the end of the video, so you guys get even more of a discount at this good of a price. But this is the one. I'm gonna sit these here. Next one is Boss. Boss is also priced at $5. Boss is not also, because the first one was $6. Boss is priced at $5. Now I like Boss. Boss is more like, you can still wear these to work. These are if you don't want to really have on lashes, but you want your lashes to be very natural looking. That's what this is the one I would mostly go for. Then we have Flirty. Flirty is like, you know, flirty. So I take this. Flirty is priced for $5 as well. I have my price. I'm hesitating with the prices because I have it written down on the paper, so I'm kind of like looking at the paper as I'm getting them and then telling you guys the price. So it's not that I don't know the price. I don't know them all off the top of my head, but I do know them. They're written on my little list right here, you know. Okay, this one is She's Bad. Well, she bad. She bad. You know, she bad. I really like these too. These are very natural looking as well. She's Bad is priced at $10. Now, then we have You Wish. Aren't these cases cute? I love like the little, how they're blinged out, you know, really blinged out. Then we have Envy. Now I really like Envy. I haven't tried on Envy yet, but I really like it because they look very natural as well, but still got a little spice to it, got a little sassiness to it. So these are Envy. Then we have my favorite pair is Wifey. Well, one of my favorite pairs is Wifey. And then Wifey goes up like that. Then we have 4 more. I'll save this one for last. In Early. These are In Early. Then I have Workflow is actually a pair that I'm wearing now. These are my most favorite that I like to wear like every day when you still want to beat your face. By the way, you know, shout out to my cut crease that I'm just learned how to do this, like my second time doing it. But anywho, Workflow is like if you want to wear your lashes to work. Sometimes I'll wear like really long ones, but if you want to tone it down a little bit, stay more professional, I like Workflow, and it still, you know, have some size to it, but still kind of look natural even when you turn to the side, like not that long. Let me see, can you guys see? Yeah, they're not that long. They still look very natural, even with the full face, and even when you don't have on makeup, your lashes still look bomb. Like people looking at you like, are those yours, sis? Are those yours? You know, so I like Workflow. And then this pair is a Mom. Of course, I'm a mother, so I wanted to come up with the all the names. I came up with the names myself. I wanted to keep them more, just give like a little sass, but still like everyday and reality type names. So I came up with Mom because of course that's the name that I have. So, and these are very much momish because they're short, natural, if you don't like to wear long lashes, or if you don't like to if you're not really used to having on lashes, I would definitely start out with Mom because she's very natural, she's very lightweight, and as you can see, like she's very lightweight, very natural, not too heavy. None of them are heavy, but you know, for your first time wearing lashes or just want to put some on without having on makeup, mom is the one to go. Now, if you're looking for a nice time out, you want to go out to eat, you know, hang out with your girls or whatever, and you want something really long, really dramatic, I will go with raw. Because raw is like, we raw. Like, we don't care how long we are. We don't care. This is the 25mm. Like, raw is out there. Raw is the girl to have on if you want to just have that bold makeup, that bold look, that like look at me look. Raw is the girl to go with. And once you order your lashes, you will actually get them, because I did show all 12. You will actually get my business card. It'll come like this with some little cute little, you know, blinged out, bling bling little stones, and it'll come like this. Get it in here for you. They come like this, so you'll get it like this, and then this right here in a case, in a little bag, and of course it'll be like wrapped up and everything. But that was it. I just wanted to actually have a video with showing you guys how the lashes look, how I like them, and I do wear them myself. And if you stuck around to the end of this video, thank you so much. Go ahead and wait for the code. But I'm giving you guys a promo code to use so you can order your lashes. Thank you for supporting my small business. Also, if you ordered some hair products, thank you as well. And I will link everything down below so you guys can click on it and show you girls some love. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on Monday.